You'll love this simple pizza crust recipe with only 4 net carbs for the entire crust. For the dry mix ingredients, refer back to the vegan tortilla video, link in the description below. Let's begin by combining half a cup of dry mix in a bowl, ensuring to add an extra 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder for good measure. Next, mix in 3/4 cup of hot water and 1 tablespoon of oil. Keep mixing this until the dough absorbs all the liquid and starts to form a ball, and then knead the dough into a soft ball. Place the dough between 2 pieces of parchment paper and then roll out until you get your desired thickness. Around 7 to 8 inches in diameter works great. Now you want to roll up the edges of the dough, and this will make a really nice puffy crust once you bake it. You want to have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. You're going to pre-bake your pizza crust for 12 to 15 minutes. The crust should start to be puffy, but it shouldn't be browned yet. Once you've taken your pre-baked crust out, you want to turn your oven up to 400. Now top your crust with all your delicious toppings, and you're going to bake for another 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is melty and the crust has become really nice and dark brown.